almost missed it. Anyway, now we're at Soapy King here in Henderson. Another independent place which I usually like checking out. This one, yes, has MacNeil. Hopefully it's not too expensive. Oh, funny, a PDQ pay station. Please select payment first. Okay.
Please insert money and select wash.
Muddy truck, what's it? 13, 18, and 30? What? Well, now it says muddy truck, which that's not really my thing. So I'm gonna do the 18.
Please insert money.
Okay, so it wants me to do that first. And PDQ stations are weird. Better save the rest of my cash at this point.
Please insert money and select wash. Please take your change from the tray below. Do you want a printed receipt?
No, thank you.
Please wait for the gate to open.
There is no
Please
gate.
pull forward to the next position.
There's literally no gate. Oh, this place looks old. Oh, it looks like MacNeil North. This used to have PDQ stuff in it. Actually, some of the equipment further down doesn't look quite MacNeil. This tunnel's longer than I thought. This one I think will be interesting. 3 or 4 people prepping down the car here. At least I'm not complaining. Okay, that was not me, that was me that was getting confused. I know what I'm doing. I'm in neutral. Don't think that was me. Nice and slow in this one. Okay. Yeah, this is also MacNeil. Looks like older stuff. Most of those nozzles didn't even rotate. That was really loud. Oh, Jordan, I'm gonna have to fix my mirrors. Evolution 1000. Oh my gosh, I love the old school neon. That's awesome. And it's all MacNeil. Older Tech 21s. Then a couple on the sides have different nozzles. The older ones I've noticed usually do better. Pretty good wash. Not too bad either. Oh, roll back. There we go. Okay, now I gotta reach my other one. If I can, just very carefully. There we go. Alright, well, hope y'all enjoyed this car wash and today's spree. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. That'll be it.